And July 31st, I had to be rushed to the hospital, and for 5 or 6 weeks, the only thing I remember is getting to the ambulance, and then I woke up and I was in the hospital. So I was real sick. I couldn't hardly move. I had different wounds from one end to the other. I had a ventilator. I had a hole in my throat, and my leg wouldn't move very much. And so I've come a long ways, and so that's why I have to sit down and cook, because I can't stand very long. After I started feeling better, I couldn't cook for about a year, I think it was. And so I wanted to get in the kitchen and cook. And so I decided, well, I'll just pull me up a chair and in there and start cooking. So that's how I started cooking again, is cooking in a chair. And hopefully, eventually, I'll be able to stand long enough to cook like I used to. Because I'm walking now and doing better. And I just want to thank you for dropping in. And I hope you enjoy these videos that I'm making about how to cook and how to do recipes. And I try to give you some hints along the way. And I just hope you enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.